Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commodity commentary for Thursday. It's about 3:25 Eastern Time. Really another laborious day. The big news event was we meaning the markets, we were waiting on the Federal Reserve's announcement on whether they're going to raise interest rates or not, and they elected not to do that based on some things they saw, which I'm sure included the volatility and the tumult of the Chinese stock markets and economy. They left rates unchanged. Nonetheless, the dollar did break today, is breaking. It's down almost a full point. But that was really unmoving to the row crop markets. Cotton today went out lower, 62.40, down 31 in December cotton. We're starting to get into the early swing of harvest, and unless there's adverse weather that will befall the crop, I guess we'll have an uneventful harvest, and which could be, obviously bearish to the market. We are buoyed up here by a shortage of high grade, but if the high grades start to show up, then I guess we could see that market, at least in the cash basis, change its direction. Corn today also down. We took December corn almost back down to where September corn went off the board, 379 3/4, down about 6 cents. Again, a very lethargic trade as we're, getting into the harvest a little bit. We'll see what the numbers are on Sunday. Beans today also back down. November beans 884, down 2 3/4. A lot of spreading going on between corn and beans, corn and wheat. That seems to be the activity of late. And speaking of wheat, after that early week shoot up, it was back down today. We were down about 7 cents at 481 basis, the December wheat. As a matter of fact, wheat is just about where it was right before it started that snap up on Monday. We've taken out Friday's high, and that looks a little negative to us. So as we finish out the middle of this month, we are anticipating a huge harvest. We'll get another crop report soon, and then we'll see how the financial markets act as far as this interest rate hike. Is not that big of a deal where they hiked it to us. It wasn't a big deal whether they hiked interest rates or not, just 1/4 of a point. But I guess the psychology of it all, you just get the eerie feeling the markets are just really deflating in here. Agriculture looks mighty cheap. I don't see how farmers are going to make the thing work out. They've been pressuring cattle as well, I think, as a way to raise a little money. So not a very pretty sight these days. We'll see how we fare tomorrow. Any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.